Welcome back, everyone! Today, we're diving into a heated legal battle between BMW and a consortium of businesses over the salvage sale of cars from the Fremantle Highway container ship fire. Last year, a fire broke out on the Fremantle Highway, a car carrier ship. The blaze raised concerns about the potential involvement of electric vehicles on board, though investigations later cleared EVs of any fault. The fire damaged numerous vehicles, including many electric cars. After the fire was put out, crews recovered 260 brand new BMWs from the ship. A Taiwanese insurance company sold these salvage cars to a consortium of businesses in Rotterdam. Now, this group is looking to sell the vehicles, and BMW is fighting to stop it. BMW believes the cars are unsafe and has taken legal action to prevent their sale. In July 2023, the fire on the Fremantle Highway resulted in significant damage to several vehicles. Despite this, the salvage company reports that around 1,000 cars, including about 500 electric vehicles, appear to be in good condition and potentially recoverable. BMW, however, is concerned about the safety risks these cars might pose. The German automaker has filed an injunction, arguing that the cars could be dangerous to buyers. An attorney for BMW emphasized the enormous risks associated with these total loss declared cars, which should not be underestimated. Interestingly, the consortium offered a compromise. If BMW agreed, they would sell the cars to countries with less stringent automotive standards. This would offer BMW some protection for its reputation. However, BMW rejected this proposal, standing firm on its safety concerns. For now, the court battle continues, with the next hearing scheduled for July 15th. The question remains, should these cars be scrapped, or can some be salvaged safely? What do you think is the right move? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video informative, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more updates on automotive news and industry insights.